Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError can only concatenate tuple, not str, to tuple. This error message typically occurs when you try to concatenate a tuple and a string in Python using the plus operator. In Python, the plus operator is used for concatenation of two strings or two tuples, but you cannot concatenate a tuple and a string directly using the plus operator. For example, consider the following code. When you use this type of example code, you will get this kind of error. In this code, we are trying to concatenate a tuple my_tuple with a string my_string. However, this will result in the type error message you mentioned. Can only concatenate tuple, not str, to tuple. To fix this error, you can convert the string to a tuple by wrapping it in parentheses, like this. Let's run this example code. Here is the output. In this updated code, we are wrapping my_string in parentheses to create a tuple with a single element, then concatenating it with my_tuple. This will produce the desired result without raising the type error.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.